mistakes here. The first one is I forgot to film my tee shot. The second one is launching it all the way over here, not factoring the wind, and now I'm hitting from the rough. So I'm on top of the berm shooting a laser to the fairway trying to figure out where I want to go distance-wise, but I need to pick a target on the horizon because it's a blind shot.
Okay, we're pretty far. Par 5, I'm just going to hit this up. Only have an 8 on. It's going to end up with the pin no matter where I go. Correct. Yeah.
Well, something happened to the footage here. The ball ends up about 5 feet from the pin. I tap it in for par. On to the next one. Hole 5, par 4, 323 yards to the green.
.42 to the pin. We got some work to do.
Hole 6, par 4, 283 yards.
Okay, overshot it a little bit. We're pitting high, which is nice, but now I'm in a crazy predicament.
Ooh, this one doesn't look promising. This wind is just ripping on the screen. I can't judge anything. I'm just gonna let you guys watch this so you can semi-feel the pain that I'm in. Yikes. Hole 7, par 4, 277 yards, uphill into the winds, probably playing like 300. Yeah, it's up in the trap. And here's where I realized that I hit 8 inches behind the ball. It's called a drop kick. Rookie mistake. Hole 8, par 5, right around tree 50. Okay, the only club in my bag is 8 iron. Let's do it. I'm gonna send it a little long here. That's terrible.
Yeah, it could have been worse.
It's not right here. No, I hit the ground first. That still might be okay.